Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Star WHEEL Star Wheel as one jump starter with an air compressor. This is compatible with petrol engines up to 3 liter and the diesel engines with a 2.8 liter. This comes with an automatic inflation option up to 150 psi. The output current is 2000 ampere. The battery which is built in is 8000 milliampere. It can be used as an external battery. And powerful car starter. Nice merit of the gasoline cars, diesel cars, motorcycles and boats. All is possible if it has a 12 voltage network. It comes more. It's not only a power pack, it's a multi-purpose air pump too. For car tires, for motorcycle tires, for bicycle tires, for balls, and so on. You can choose between bar, psi, and kilopascal. 150 HP, 30 liters per minute can be delivered. Yeah, an ultra-precision air pump here with 150 psi automatic stop after having to reach the preset value. And its adapters, which comes with a multiple use. Car, motorcycle, bicycle, balloon, what you need. And on top we get lighting function. Equipped with a 500 lumen LED lamp, it allows us to illuminate even in the dark. And we have SOS mode for emergency situation too. 500 lumen LED emergency light. SOS model strobe flash and light like a torch light. We have overload protection, over discharge protection, over voltage protection, over current protection, reverse connection protection, foil protected, overheating protected, transfer protected. Wow, this is a transfer and a safety handle. That's really cool because then we can make an easy work to the next mission. Yeah, it attached with a great importance to safety, of course. It is product and the protection classes, so we can use the product with complete confidence. We get all what we need. We need car rescue starter with an air compressor. We get an EVA storage bag, an intelligent rescue startup cable, a nice and easy peasy charging cable, and on top, it is possible to use this jump starter with an air compressor included, not only as an air pump, as a jump starter. No, you can use it for your devices like your smartphone or tablets as a power bank. Wow, that's impressive. That's Star Wheel Jump Starter for gasoline and diesel engines. With adapters, with a pressure hose, with a jump starter system, with a lot of ampere peak. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.